Welcome to our tutorial on loading Excel files in Python with pandas. Step 1. Importing pandas. First, we need to import the pandas library. In your Python script or Jupyter notebook, you can do this with the following command: import pandas as pd. Step 2. Loading the Excel file. We'll use the read_excel function from pandas to load the Excel file into a data frame. Here's how you can do it: df equals pd read_excel file.xlsx. If the Excel file is in the same directory as your Python script or notebook, you can simply provide the file name. Example, file.xlsx. If the Excel file is located in a different directory, you need to provide the full path to the file. Example, df equals pd read_excel path/file.xlsx.